Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today we are reviewing the LG 86-inch Class QNED AI 4K QNED82A Series Smart TV. Click the link below for the best price. If you're looking for a truly cinematic experience at home, the LG QNED82A 86-inch Smart TV from the 2025 lineup delivers everything you need, and more. It's big, it's brilliant, and it's packed with smart AI-powered features that elevate your viewing, audio, and everyday streaming into something immersive and unforgettable. Let's start with the screen. At a massive 86 inches, this TV instantly transforms any room into a home theater. The QNED technology blends quantum dot and nanocell color layers to deliver incredibly rich and accurate colors, vibrant contrast, and wide viewing angles. Whether you're watching in a dark room or a brightly lit one, you get sharp, vivid images every time. Backed by 4K resolution and HDR10 support, you'll notice deeper blacks, brighter highlights, and incredibly lifelike detail. Everything looks better, from your favorite action movies and nature documentaries to live sports and next-gen console gaming. It's also powered by 4K AI Super Upscaling, which uses LG's advanced AI processor to enhance lower resolution content to near 4K quality in real time. Old shows, DVDs, and cable broadcasts will look noticeably sharper and more refined. And speaking of AI, the AI Picture Pro and AI Sound Pro systems analyze the content you're watching and adjust picture and sound settings accordingly. The result? Crystal clear visuals and audio that feel perfectly tuned to every scene. Dialogue comes through clearly, background effects feel immersive, and every sound is positioned exactly where it should be. Another standout feature is Filmmaker mode, which disables motion smoothing and preserves the original frame rates, colors, and aspect ratios as intended by the director. It's the purest way to watch movies and premium content, just like you're in a high-end screening room. Now let's talk sound, because the Wow Orchestra feature makes a big impact. It allows the TV to pair with LG soundbars for a unified, layered sound experience using both the TV and the soundbar speakers together. You get wider sound dispersion, deeper bass, and better clarity without the need for complex setup. Even without a soundbar, this TV delivers powerful, room-filling audio with smart enhancement through AI Sound Pro. Smart features are fully loaded here. With Alexa built in, you can control the TV hands-free, change channels, launch apps, check the weather, and even control your smart home devices with simple voice commands. And of course, you also get Google Assistant compatibility, plus support for AirPlay 2, Apple HomeKit, and LG's WebOS smart platform for instant access to Netflix, YouTube, Disney+, and more. Connectivity is future-ready, with multiple HDMI 2.1 ports for next-gen gaming consoles and 4K/120Hz support. Whether you're plugging in your Xbox Series X, PS5, or a premium sound system, this TV is built to keep up. There's also auto low latency mode, and gig for optimized gaming visuals and minimal input lag. Design-wise, the 86QNED82AUA keeps things sleek and modern. Despite the massive screen size, it has slim bezels, a clean rear panel, and a premium stand that looks sharp in any living room or media space. It's wall-mountable and engineered to look stunning from every angle. So if you're ready to go big with your home entertainment setup, the LG 86-inch QNED82A Smart TV gives you outstanding 4K picture quality, smart AI features, immersive sound, and the ultimate large screen experience. It's perfect for movie lovers, sports fans, gamers, and anyone who wants that wow factor in their living room. Click the link below for the best price, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more epic home tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.